Alright, we have made it to our Shaxi hotel. I'm just gonna see if we could get some help with the suitcases there. 谢谢谢谢，4个，小的我们来帮忙。Oh my god. Right. 这个给你们。好的。Yep. 不包含里面这个不包含外面这个框，对，到时候我会把他们家的定位给你们发一下，然后一会儿我把定位也给你们发一下，你们好，谢谢，不客气。Wow! Oh my god, there's balloons! I wrote it was Rachel's birthday. 公主生日快乐！Toilet, shower. I think that's it. And then that's the door. You've got your vanity table here. Little table. 2 beds. And a tatami. Just gonna head downstairs for some afternoon tea. I like how yellow everything is. It's very pretty. How pretty is that? Everything's so aesthetic. That's a funky color.
大理耳园的果脯蜜饯是非常有名的，它看着可能会比较普通，哪里都能买到，但是是这边的特色之一，尝一下。
I got a passion fruit lemon tea. So refreshing. Try this pastry. Oh, 玫瑰花. Yum. Finally trying the rose pastry. It's still really nice and warm. Yummy. I feel like we're in the middle of nowhere. So we got told by the hotel staff that there's a market today that's walkable. Please pray we don't get lost because it's very windy. I feel like if it gets any colder, I definitely need to whip out the down jacket. Rachel's already whipped hers out. I haven't whipped mine out yet. But yeah, it's really dusty. I feel like I can't breathe. Dust up ahead, Rachel? Or is that smoke? Oh no, I think that's smoke. Just gotta walk uphill and hopefully we're there. Oh. Okay, I think we've made it.
桂花菌，这些都是适合煲汤的。再羊肚菌，不过这边的羊肚菌都是。
There's some corn. It's a lovely food. Some mini mangoes. How small they are. Amazing. tomatoes. 怎么是没有切开呀？Rachel's gonna try some of these 热情果。
都纯甜的，都不是百香果。
Got some brown sugar here, and then there's some brown sugar with rose petals infused. Yak jerky. Xiang 虾虾饼是哪一个？
那5块钱了，这还比了6块钱，6块钱这不能吃是谁呀？5块，那6块钱起啊？对，
Spicy?
A little bit.
There we go.
Spicy beginning, but no spice at the end.
It reminds me of something. Some gourmet potato chips here. Oh my god, it looks so good. I'm gonna give a tomato flavor. It's like the Lay's tomato chips, really good.
啊，没，刚好12块5。
好，谢谢。
啊，你这样来啊。
辣的是哪个？是这个。
好，付了，谢谢。好，拜拜。So yeah, this is 250 grams for $12.50 kwai. So that's like $3. Not like Smith's chips. How much is Smith's chips? Like $3 for a bag of air. Come across some white strawberries. Give it a go. Let me try white one. Oh my god, that's so good. Oh, Rachel. 这个味道很特别，你试一个。
草莓15一斤。白草莓15一斤。
对。老板，这个白草莓怎么买呀
？15一斤。
15一斤对吧？可以混吗？
可以，都是15。
都是15。哦。然后。
草莓15一斤。来了，够。
这个再试一个，试。
草莓10。
好甜。
这个也来。
这个来，这一筐来一个。这个也1/3。谢谢。
另外一个也好吃。
这个也试一下。We're looking at oranges now. They look really orange. Smells so good. You get some. This was 7 kwai. That's like $2, less than $2.
我们先逛吧。
好好好，晚上一起吃草莓。
晚上。
好。
草莓
We just realized we bought some of this yang xiang guo. That's meant to yang nai guo. Oh, it's not focusing. Apparently, it's good for stopping diarrhea. So Rachel's gonna give it a go. I feel like you're like thinking. I'm gonna give it a go as well. I don't like the texture of the outside, but it gets better because it breaks on the inside. Not for me. There's some traditional desserts. And maybe not these ones, but this nuo mi liang sha apparently is traditional. Oh my goodness. also put some bingfen inside for sweetness.
我这个是猴桃，所以它看起它的颜色会稍微暗一点。特别亮的那种猴是用白桃炒出来的。
Some raw honeycomb. Okay, we've made it to the cooked places. Got some pastries here. I think we've almost made it to the end. Big the ginger is. 好大哦。
Big one or small one?
Small one. Well, do you want the light yellow as well?
Oh, I could get
你要不双拼 Cute. The pineapples are like ready to eat.
this much jack for the $10 in Australia.
Let's hope you finish in the next 2 days. We've got a little snack shop here with a bit of everything. So, I think we've been walking here for like 20 minutes and I've got this much stuff. And yeah, we met this the designer for the current Mingsu. She started chatting to us while we were having afternoon tea, and then we agreed we're gonna meet after dinner and share everything we bought together. Because she bought like a whole kilo of blueberries and like a whole massive bag of like sunflower seeds. Yeah, so funny. Okay, we have now approached the bedding section, the upholstery and stuff. Sorry, it's a bit windy, I forgot my mic. The question is, will this trump Cabramatta sugarcane juice?
Should we find out?
Let's get one. The problem is we don't know where the owner is. This is an empty shop right now. Man, what a chill job. She gave us a whole bag of sunflower seeds. Just have our umbrellas ready, and guess what? I've lost my little Pebby already. She fell off my bag. I don't know where she is. I'm so sad. There's another little market on the way to the Gulchen. Got a bit of everything here. Go through this way. This is so narrow. Oh, shit. That's pretty cute. So cute. What the hell? have a look if there are any more mushrooms for Rachel. There's like a queue to take a picture here, and we're in the queue. There is little wooden ornaments, more tie-dye for flowers. Actually really cute. That's a nice little ornament. I found a replacement, but it's not white, it's pink. There's a shop where you could do armor making.
油墨然后印上去就可以了。
Okay.
多纸品不同大小的。
Okay.
然后我们有个册子可以选，可以选3个不同颜色呀、不同图案的那种。翻看一下有没有喜欢的，一页页翻开。
好。
有些字面可以理解的，有些字面理解，字面理解不了的都问我啊。整体上写了一个姓氏。从这个甲码往后翻，它就基本上就不怎么常见了。前半部分呢会用的比较多，选的也比较多。你们可以看它的颜色。
我有一个这个，
娃猫是吧？
我拿出来吗？
不
用拿。
给我转。娃猫它有2个颜色，它会印的有点不是太好。那我们就印这个颜色是吧？
对对对。
好的。
We're both gonna do this one as well.
这里是还差一个。对吧？一般就是求财、求平安呀、瓦猫啊，这个选的会多一点。已经有2个。或者你看到是什么形状呢？你给我描述一下，我们
就是有点想不起来。
哎，这是什么？月宫是月亮的意思，干嘛的呀？不是的。你走。这个呢，就是我们先在摸牌上面涂一点，你的刷到之后呢，就往上面刷。
好，
你看这个模板的所有的凸起地方都需要刷到，刷过的地方还是比较明显的。
好的。
就直接刷上去吗？
对，刷2到3遍啊。然后可以手这样子给它卡住，哎，这样子卡住，不要让它掉下去。哎，对。好，然后刚刚这个下面有张白纸，把它挪过来，让它在这个白纸的中间。好，让它这个红纸的中间，看一下有没有居中啊。尽量居中。
差不多这样。
好，然后这个白纸对齐这个白纸盖上去。好，盖上去不要动，这样按一下，对齐这个白纸盖。
是要摁得很重吗？
就是你把它摁上去就行了。
可以
看到它的一个大体的轮廓，对，就可以了。这个是打磨，这样子让它清楚的渗透过来就行了。那你可以用那只手给它摁起来，这样摁着，不让它移啊。慢慢的进来。
好，就把它撕下来。
对，撕下来反过来这个颜色试试。
哇，好可爱！
放上去就比较移了。
Heck yeah, 提前退休。I think I'm gonna color this one in. Right, just did our maja. Jama or maja, I don't even know. Just gonna walk around and see if we can find some dinner. Alright, just heading back to the hotel now. And then haven't decided what we're gonna have for dinner. Maybe white man, maybe we'll order something from the restaurant attached to the hotel. Oh my god, they found the white poodle! Alright, dinner tonight, some white mai. Looks like a bit of it spilled, but that's okay. So we didn't really have lunch today. So like, you know, I feel like the appetite was probably ordering instead of logic, but we got a fan chia chao dan and rice. So tomato egg with rice. And then I got a hongsha niuro mian with arsi. So like the rice cake noodles with braised beef. And then we got some veggies. And then Rachel, what did you get?
I got 米线.
Mi xian. But what topping is it?
I can't remember.
It's time to give this, I forgot what it was called, Rachel.
糯米糊虾.
Oh, mi xia or something a go. So it's got like little pieces of glutinous things. And then it's got brown sugar syrup and some bingfen in it. So yeah, I don't know. If I pour it out, will the stuff come out with it? I hope so. Anyways, we'll just try some. Okay, the bingfen's coming out, but none of that. But we'll try it first. It just tastes like bingfen. I really want to try the shrimps. How should I do this? Be right back. Okay, I poured most of the juice out, so the shrimps are at the front, so I'm gonna give it a go. It's pretty tasteless. In fact, it's not even glutinous. It's like tapioca. It's not bad. It's really light. It's not very sweet either, so worth a try. I also forgot to mention we also got sugarcane juice, which Rachel is apparently too full to try, so I will try on behalf of the both of us. I'm actually really full as well. I really like it. This is actually better than Cabra, Rachel. You should try some later. We're gonna digest and then we're gonna eat some fruit and then go to bed. I think that's what we're gonna do tonight. And also before I end the vlog tonight, we got delivered some tea to help us sleep. So I think it's rose flavored tea. How kind. Good morning. Just an FYI on the strawberries. It's a fucking scam because I'd say like 40% of what we had was not as sweet as what we tasted in the sample, which basically means that whatever they put in the little baskets has been like fully like checked to make sure they're not as sweet as the usual. Anyways, we're going down to breakfast now. It's very chilly this morning. Ready to go. We barely touched the fruit we bought yesterday. I'm really proud of us for finishing half the potato chips though. And yeah, we have another bag of fruit here. So we're just waiting for the staff to come up and help us take our luggages down. They're so fast, I can't even catch up.